Hello everyone, I'm myself Dr. Dipti, Kariya. I'm the PhD Physiology and your educator for Physiology. Today we'll discuss about gallstone, which are also known as cholelithiasis. Before starting my class, I would like to inform you all that you will get all my classes notes in soft copy as well as hard copy. To get the soft copy, you have to download the application Vesalius and you have to subscribe for the same. And for hard copy, you have to purchase my book that is available on Flipkart and Amazon. Link for my application as well as my book purchase both are given in the description box. Along with that, you can also join our WhatsApp group. The number is 78638 22668. Okay, you can ask any query related to book, related to application on my WhatsApp number. Now let us start with gallstone. Before that, let us enumerate functions of gallbladder. Okay, so as we have discussed, gallbladder, that is temporary storage of bile. It stores the bile up to 30 to 60 ml. Okay, second function is it concentrates bile. It decreases the alkalinity of stored bile and it causes absorption of various ions like bicarbonate ions, sodium and chloride ions. Okay, because of absorption of these ions, pH of the stored bile that decreases, it becomes acidic. From 8.6, that is the pH of liver bile, the pH of gallbladder bile, that is about 7.4. Okay, also it regulates equalization of the pressure in the biliary system. Why? Because daily 450 ml of bile is secreted. Okay, and we have storage capacity of 30 to 60 ml. So what happens? There is pressure increase in the biliary system, that is regulated because of concentration of bile in the gallbladder. Okay, and gallbladder also secretes mucus which makes the bile thick. So these are the functions of gallbladder: storage, concentration, change in the pH, change in the electrolyte composition, regulate equalization of pressure, and also secretes mucus. Okay, now we'll discuss about gallstones or cholelithiasis. Okay, what is gallstone? When any substance which is not normally present that appears in bile, that results in formation of gallstone. Okay, or if the composition of the bile changes, we have composition of cholesterol and bile salts. Okay, when the proportions of this cholesterol and bile salts, normal proportion of cholesterol and bile salts, that is, we will discuss 1 is to 20 to 1 is to 30. When this reduces to 1 is to 30, then this cholesterol precipitates to form stones. So common stones of the gallbladder, they are of cholesterol stones, and other variety are pigment stones. So cholesterol stones are there. So common cause for the gallstone there are, that is found in fat individual, more common in the females because of hormonal changes after 40 years of age. So this F you have to remember. Okay, fat, female, and after 40 years of age. Okay, now we will discuss about cholesterol stones. This accounts for about 80 to 85% of total gallstones. You can see here, these are the cholesterol stones found. Okay, and as I told you, it is because of precipitation of cholesterol. Cholesterol gets precipitated. Normal ratio, as I told you, cholesterol to bile salts, that is 1 is to 20 to 1 is to 30. And when this ratio reaches to or decreases to 1 is to 13, means what happens? What is the meaning of 1 is to 13? Means either bile salts decreases in your gallbladder or cholesterol level increases, the ratio decreases. Fine. So when cholesterol level increases or bile salts decreases, the cholesterol gets precipitated and there is formation of small crystals. These crystals, along with that, there is incorporation of bile pigments, bilirubin, biliverdin, as well as calcium. They all are incorporated in these crystals and they form gallstones. You can see here how the gallstone studded gallbladder looks like. Okay, and these stones, these are radiolucent. Okay, so they cannot be easily visualized in the x-ray. Okay, radiograph. Second variety of stones, they are pigment stones. These are made up of calcium bilirubinate. They are also known as calcium bilirubinate stone. So here, what is the pathology? conjugated bilirubin that is present in the bile, it is deconjugated by the action of beta glucuronoid that is found in bacteria in the intestinal flora. Okay, and this conjugated bilirubin, okay, that is deconjugated means that becomes free, and this free bilirubin, it binds. So when there is infection, this conjugated bilirubin gets converted into free, and this free bilirubin now it binds with calcium. So you can say that calcium bilirubinate stones are present, and these are highly insoluble in bile, and these stones are radio opaque. Okay, so they can be visualized by x-rays. Okay, radiolucence means they give black color. Radio opaque means they look means they are slightly whitish color, and so they can be easily differentiated on the x-ray. Okay, now here you can see what are the causes of gallstone. Common causes are: one, that is too much absorption of water from the bile. Second, absorption of bile acids from the bile, so bile salts they are reduced. Too much cholesterol present in the bile, and inflammation. As I told you, because of inflammation, this conjugated bilirubin gets converted into free bilirubin. Okay. Now, symptoms. Most of the time, gallstones they are asymptomatic, but if there is inflammation or if the stone gets impacted in the biliary tree, you can see here, if this stone has come out of this gallbladder and it has blocked any of this, either your cystic duct or common bile duct or anywhere, then it may produce symptom. Okay, and which are the symptoms? They are biliary colic, severe spasmodic pain that is present because of increased spasm, because of the impaction of the gallstone. Okay, and what is the treatment? That is surgical removal. Either stone is removed, or if the gallbladder is studded to the stone, the whole gallbladder is also removed. That is known as, the procedure is known as cholecystectomy. Okay, so this is about the treatment of gallstones. Okay, so this is all about today's topic. Again, I would like to inform you that if you wish to get my notes in soft copy, you can download the application Vesalius, and you have to get the subscription. Okay, and for hard copy, you can order my book, that is Physiology Notes, which is available on Flipkart and Amazon. Link for all that is given in the description box. Thank you so much. If you like my video, you can like it, you can share with all your friends, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.